Hey everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes. We're back with another shop walk around to show you what we got going on in the shop this week. Let's run through the cars and let's get it started. Here we have a 2006 C6 convertible. The customer brought it in because he was having electrical issues. It turned out to be a actually low voltage issue from the battery. C6s can be very finicky. Once the system realizes there's low voltage, it can trigger the ABS, the traction control, throw all sorts of lights on the dash, go into reduced power. They're very finicky when they have very low voltage from the battery. So he put a new battery in, fixed all the electrical issues. We put the scanner on it to make sure there was nothing coming back or any extra draws on the vehicle. Once that was all said and done, we were going to go ahead and turn it back over to the customer and get them back on the road. Here we have our very own Nick Ansbro 2009 C6 Z06. We have mentioned this car earlier. He was in the process of putting brand new PRC heads on it, a BTR Stage 2 cam, Johnson lifters. He's actually got it all put back together now. It is a running and driving vehicle. He's actually taking the vehicle later on today to go have it dyno tuned. And I will let you know what kind of power it's making from all the add-ons that he did. Nice looking car. Moving on. All right. Here we have a 2001 C5. The customer actually shipped this car in from Alabama to have us work on it. We're just about done wrapping everything up. We've touched just about everything we can on the car. We did a front engine kit, intake manifold gaskets, torque tube rebuild, rear axle shaft seals replacement, and Nick's tidying it up, getting it put back together so we can get it shipped back up to Alabama so the customer can enjoy it. Here we have a 2003 Z06. This is also a out-of-state customer. Brought the car to us to just about have everything else done on it too. Front engine kit, oil pan gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, valve cover gaskets. Currently, we are in the midst of diagnosing a fuel leak. Once we get that figured out, odds are he's going to go ahead and have the torque tube rebuilt, brand new clutch, rear main seal, get the leaky fuel tank taken care of, and get them buttoned up and put them back on the road. Everything that we can touch has probably been touched on this vehicle. So in previous shop walkarounds, I don't know if you remember, we had Steve's 2012 C6 Grand Sport convertible in here for the air curtain that lets out inside the air box by the evaporator core and heater core underneath the dash. This 2012 Grand Sport is in for the same exact thing. That curtain in the air box has let go, so all of the AC is blowing out through all the vents and is not getting as cold as it should be. Andy is heading this up right now. He's starting to disassemble the inside. As you know, the full dash has to come out to be able to get to that air box. As well, we're going to change out the heater core, the evaporator core, new AC condenser, and all the AC supporting units to go with it. Right here, we still have the 1990 ZR1 that Steve has purchased that is looking to get some things fixed on it and then get it sold. We were getting close to a point where we thought we had it, but the clutch slave cylinder decided to give out. And so now we're going to have to put it back up and get that taken care of before we can put it on the market and get it sold and get it into a new customer's hands. So as we are a Corvette family here, our Corvette family has grown. Our very own Tony, who answers the phone and does all the videos for us, has purchased a 2009 C6 Corvette. It is his first Corvette. And of course, working here is probably the best place to be when you own a Corvette. So the boys and I have been taking him through and telling him what exactly he needs to get fixed, the repairs he needs to get done. And he's putting a plan together to have himself a very nice C6 Corvette. So congratulations to Tony on his brand new to him Corvette. All right, so that's what we got going on this week in the shop. This has been another C&S Corvettes walk around. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos as it's pushing us closer and closer to that 100,000 subscribers. Again, if you want to see more content or anything like this, please put it in the comments below and we will get it out to you as soon as possible. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed it. I have. Have a good one. If you want to buy that, come get it.
Little plug.
Little plug. A little plug. You should have your own picture where it says Tony's, our very own Tony, just have like a little. Guitar sounds. Nah.